This teaching resource focuses on geography in Year 1. In Year 1, students in a health class is going to learn about different places and the daily and seasonal weather patterns in those places, and also the change that happens in different places. For this teaching resource, we focus on one, knowledge and understanding description, that is the 3 features of places: natural, managed, and constructed features. For inquiry skill, we focus on communication. In terms of communication, students are going to use different forms of representation and also ways of communication to share their stories, knowledge, information, and findings in terms of those geographical learning. For example, they can use oral expression, or they can use video or photographs, or even crafts or models like these to display and introduce to others what they have understood in terms of geography. So many students are going to be introduced with those different features and how they can classify what they have seen in terms of places and location and constructions, that how they can classify those what they've seen in their neighborhood locally, or when they travel even abroad, how those places can be put into the 3 categories of features. This features model displays 3 different kinds of features. For example, here we can see the hill and the river, which are almost free of any signs of human activity except for the windmill, so they are almost natural. And for the park here, we can see there is a playground with a swing and the slide for children to play with. And most of the area is natural except for the playground part. So this is the managed area, and also the farm can be categorized as a managed feature, except for this house, which is a constructed feature. And for the high-rise building in the city center area, we can say that this office building or this skyscraper is a constructed feature. This model can be used to introduce the concept of 3 different features, and teacher can ask different questions about the places where they have been to and whether they have seen any familiar places or features here that are similar or the same to what they've seen in their life. And also this can be something that a group of students can make under the guidance of a teacher to demonstrate what they have learned about different features. So they can use the model to include some places that they have been to, and some of them can be natural and some of them can be constructed. Also, used with a set of photos taken by students or their family members can enhance the learning experience, because, for example, students can use those photos to try to fit in to this model, try to see whether any picture or photo looks similar to any feature in this model. And also they can use some sorting and classifying skills to sort the photos according to where they belong to. For example, all the natural features can be classified as one group of photos. In making this model or teaching resource, we used different joining techniques, including static ones like sticky glue, blue tack, wooden pegs, and cardboard inserting techniques. For moving joining techniques, for joining techniques that allow parts to move, we used toothpicks like this so that we can remove those parts, and some students might like it. And also we used the push pin to fix the fish in the river so that the fish can still move or turn around and around and around. And also we used this toothpick for the windmill so that the windmills can be played by our fingers. And also we made this paper or cardboard car with wheels that can move. Also, for the set of photos, we use this wire to bind the photos together so that we can move the pictures or photos while keeping them together. We attach the string to the blue tag. Most of the materials we used are recycled, including cardboard paper, egg carton, drink bottle, toilet paper roll, and also the used dishwashing cloth, one biscuit box. Other materials including glue and sticky tape and blue tack, and also some color paper. Those are mainly used for decoration and joining purposes.